Okay, so Erica Page here again with your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, and I've got
Daniel with Above Grade Inspections.
Yes, I've got an awesome professional with me today. He just inspected a home for a client of ours, and you said, what would you tell me is the number one tip you would tell someone that was preparing to sell their home?
I'll give you 2.
Oh, he's gonna give me 2. Bonus back. I had to beg him to get on the camera. Now you're gonna give me 2. Let's do it.
The 2 easiest and cheapest, simplest things you can do before you sell your home: replace your light bulbs and replace your cover plates.
Ooh.
Brand new light bulbs and brand new cover plates will make your home look better. It'll be less thing that the home inspector is going to give you for when they do the inspection, and it's one of the cheapest things you can do. It'll cost you $50.
Right. Okay. And what did you tell me about? Don't put something. You said don't put things in front of the.
Don't obstruct the main breaker panels.
Right.
We're gonna look into it. We're gonna find something wrong if there's something wrong.
You can't hide.
Don't make our job hard.
You can't hide. And listen, guys, honestly, if it was something in front of it and they would just send me a report and say, hey, we couldn't get in front of the electrical panel, and then we'd have to have them come back out after the seller moves the stuff, and then we'd have to pay them for a reinspect.
Full price.
So don't do that. All right, Daniel with
Above Grade Inspections.
Above Grade Inspections. That's an awesome partner that I use here in the Atlanta area. You guys give us a call. This is one of the vendors that you'll have access to when you work with our team. Take care.